Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to show notification on Android lock screen, especially on Android 14. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Android phone, and we're going to scroll down until we find the notification setting. This one, tap on this notification setting, and you're going to open the lock screen notification. Tap on this option, and if you want to show the notification on your Android lock screen, make sure that you activate this lock screen notification. Tap on this toggle button to activate it, and here you can select the apps that can show the notification on your lock screen. You can tap on the setting icon, and you can select the application that you want to show the notification on your lock screen. And I'm just going to select all of the applications, so I'm going to tap on all apps. Okay, and after that we can go back and you will get the notification on your Android lock screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can show notification on Android lock screen on Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.